Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, by the end of last class, my computer was not responding, so I missed that part.
What did you write last? Did you wrote that exponential laws?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
Didn't write.
okay. We just discussed the exponential laws that we have learned last day. Only that. Okay. Okay. So better you write those law. Give some space to write those 7 laws. Only that. We didn't do
Okay,
the
ma'am.
problems. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. 1 second. But I can't see what happened. Okay, children, good afternoon. Let us begin problems based on exponential laws. Right, first question. Board will come now. First question is 17 square into 17 raised to 5. Can you see the board?
Yes.
Okay, so first question is 17 square into 17 raised to 5. So this will be equal to
17 raised to 7.
yes, 17 raised to 2 plus 5. All are simple questions. 17 raised to 7. Second, I will write the questions. You can do one by one. Okay. Simply last year's continuation it is. 23 raised to 10 divided by 23 raised to 7. Do one by one. If any doubt, I will explain. Okay. Sixth one. Eighth one. Whole raised to 4. Ninth one. Okay. Do this 10 questions, all of you. Adhikesh, second answer.
5 raised to 14.
Okay. Lynette, third one.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
one doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, this dot denotes into.
Into. Dot means it is into. Yes. Binet,
23 raised to 3.
23 raised to 3. Fourth one, Isha.
63 raised to 3.
63 raised to 3. And Nandana Sharath.
Yes, ma'am.
Next answer.
Ma'am, 17 raised to 3. Negative 3.
17 raised to negative 3.
Ma'am, we can write it as 1 by 17 raised to 3.
Now, sixth one, Pooja.
Ma'am, I just joined now, so.
Okay, no problem. You try. Anandita, yes.
Fifth question, we can write it as.
Yes, 1 by 17 raised to 3. Okay, correct. Anandita,
5 raised to negative 14.
5 raised to negative 14, and we can write it as 1 by 5 raised to 14. Okay, correct.
1 by 5.
Okay, I mean, seventh one.
I didn't complete that.
Okay, do it.
Ma'am, seventh question point is
Into, it is into. Into.
Okay.
Instead of into, we can write that dot. Not point, it is dot. Nikhila, seventh answer.
Ma'am,
Yes. 2, correct. Yes, good. 2 raised to 3, 3 by 3 will come, that is 2. 2 raised to 1, that is 2, correct, good. Nandana Sharath, eighth one.
I'm doing.
Okay. Lakshmi CV, eighth one.
Ma'am, 3 raised to 4 by 5.
3 raised to 4 by 5. Abhiram, ninth.
7 raised to 2 by 50.
That is 7 raised to 1 by 5 minus 1 by 3. There, is it 2 by 15?
And 25 by 15.
Hmm?
25 by
Neg 25.
7 raised to negative 2 by 15.
Negative 2 by 15, yes. Because 1 by 5 minus 1 by 3. 3 minus 5 by 15. Taking LCM. So negative 2 by 15. 7 raised to negative 2 by 15. So it is 1 by 7 raised to
I
2
forgot
by...
to put negative sign.
Okay. 1 by 7 raised to 2 by 15. So 1 by 7 raised to 2 by 15. 10th one. Tenth one.
91 raised to 1 by 5.
13 into 7, 91 raised to 1 by 5. Okay, children, any doubt in these questions? Can I give the next set of questions? Is this very simple? Okay, so write 11th one. 11th one is, oh my God. 11th one is It is, okay, before doing the 7th, 11th one, listen 1 second, all of you listen. Root of, see, listen, children, listen 1 second. Root x means it is square root of x. We usually we don't write that 2. Square root of x. Usually in the radical sign we have to write 2, but simply root x means it is square root, or this we can write x raised to 1 by 2. Okay, and cube root of x will be equal to what? X raised to what? 1 by 3. 1 by 3. And fourth root of x can be written as x raised to
61 by 4.
4. So what is the nth root of x? Nth root of x will be
6 raised to 1 by n.
1 by n. You write these in a box. This also in a box. After that, we will do next set of questions. Root x means actually it is square root. Okay. So root x actually it is x raised to 1 by 2. Cube root of x means x raised to 1 by 3. Nth root of x means x raised to 1 by n. Right? Put in a box these 4 sides. Now, one question I will explain. After that, you can do the next. For simplify 4 raised to 3 by 2. 4 raised to 3 by 2. Can I rub? All of you copied this box?
Yes, ma'am.
Now listen to the board. Listen to the board. 4 raised to 3 by 2 can be written as it is 4 raised to 3 1 by 2 now. Okay. 4 raised to 3 by 2. 4 cube the raised to 1 by 2. What is this? 4 cube raised to 1 by 2 can be written as 4 raised to 3 by 2. Am I clear?
Yes,
Okay. Okay. But 4 cube is what? 4 cube is 4 into 4 into 4. 4 cube is 16 into 4. 4 cube 6. 16 into 60.
64.
64. Correct. 64 raised to 1 by 2. Root x is x raised to 1 by 2. So x raised to 1 by 2 is equal to root x. Okay. Root x is x raised to 1 by 2. Or x raised to 1 by 2 is root x. So what is 64 raised to 1 by 2? It is
8.
root of 64. So it is 8.
8.
All of you go through the answer once. Any doubt, ask. 4 raised to 3 by 2. That we can write 4 cube whole raised to 1 by 2. Okay. And 4 cube is 64. 64 raised to 1 by 2. 64 raised to 1 by 2 means raised to 1 by 2 is root 64. Root 64 is 8. Is it clear this question? All of you? Ken, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Nikila? Amin? Ken? Understood? Ken?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now try the next one. That is okay, it's a simple question. 64 raised to 1 bit, that we did know. Okay. Then 32 raised to 1 by 5. Think, how can we simplify this? 32 raised to 1 by 5. All of you think
132 root 5.
32 root 5.
Right, 5.
Fifth root. You mean fifth root of 32?
Yes, ma'am.
But we can't, no, we can't do the, what is the value of fifth root? We didn't study. We studied only square root. Square root of, it is square root of 64, we can write 8. But fifth root we didn't study. Did you study fifth root of 32? We don't know. Think 32 and 5, there is a connection. All of you think 32 and 5, 32 is not a multiple of 5. But what is the connection with the 32 and 5? That is a
Ma'am,
connection. Ah,
can be written as 1 by 2 into 1 by 3.
1 by 2 into
1 by 3.
1 by 2 into 1 by 3 is what? Huh? Huh?
1 by 6.
It is 1 by 6. Anything else? 32 can be written as, you write 32 in some other way.
2 into 2 into 2 into 2.
Yes, who said that? How many twos?
5.
5 twos. 32 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Or it is 2 raised to 5. These 5 twos, we can write 2 raised to 5. The whole raised to 5. Equal to what? 2 raised to 5 by 5. That is 2. So 32 raised to 1 by 5 is 2. Because 32 is 2 raised to 5. 2 raised to 5 into 5 into 1 by 5. 5 get cancelled. Or it is 2. Okay. One more question. Next question you can do easily. 125, the whole raised to 1 by 3. 125, the whole raised to 1 by 3.
Ma'am, 5 into 5 into.
Yes, because it is 5 cube. 125 is 5 cube. 5 cube raised to 1 by 3. The answer is 5. Now, 9 raised to 3 by 2. Try. 9 raised to 3 by 2. And 32 raised to 2 by 5. Try these two. Nine raised to 3 by 2 is what?
9 cube. The whole
Nine-
raised to 1 by 2.
9 cube whole raised to 1 by 2. So,
So 729, root of 729.
equal to
Mm.
root of 729 is what? Anybody else? Anything, any other answer?
81.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Ah,
ma'am, can we give as 3 into 1 by 2 into 3 raised to 1 by 2 into 3 raised to
3 raised to 1 by 2 into?
no, ma'am, sorry.
Think, all of you think. What?
6.
6. How? Correct. See. How did you get 6?
Is it correct?
It's not correct. All of you think, how can we change 9 raised to 3 by 2?
Ma'am, we can write 9 raised to 3 whole raised to half.
So what? That Lynette already said no. 9 raised to 3 all raised to half. So what next?
27 raised to half.
727 whole raised to half. So that is root of 727 equal to. You have to find its root, no? Any other way? No one's thinking in that way. Only this one.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we can write 3 into 3 whole raised to 3 by 2.
Yes. Yes. 9 we can write 3 square. The whole raised to 3 by 2. Isn't it? So it is 3 raised to 2 into 3 by 2. Easily we can write it is 3 cube 27. Okay. Think in all possible ways. 9 is 3 square. That 2 and 2 get cancelled. It is 3 square. Within one step you will get 27. Okay. This 11 and 12 can I rub? Top? Now try this 15th one. Mute your audios, all of you.
And 4.
And we can,
Yes. Is it 4? Oh, yes, 4. Yes, how did you get 32
And
is
2 raised to 5.
2 raised to 5 whole raised to
Then we can take
2
the
by
2
5. Yes.
2 out
So
and we
2
can
square.
cancel it.
4, correct. So 16th one, you try this one as 16 raised to 3 by 4. 16 raised to 3 by 4. 17th one, 125 raised to negative 1 by 3. 13 and 14 I'm going to rub, okay? Eighteenth one, 2 raised to 2 by 3 into 2 raised to 1 by 5. Try these questions.
ma'am, can you show the questions?
Why you are switch off your videos, all of you? Sixteen raised to 3 by 4. What can we do with this 16 raised to 3 by 4?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
we can write 16 like 4 square.
So
So when we write 4 square, the 2 and that 4 will be cut and there will be 3 by 2.
So it is
4 3 by 2.
16 raised to 3 by 2. Only that? Further any?
Then we, ma'am, we'll get 4 3 by 2 Then 4 cube is 64. 64's root is 8.
Mm. Answer for 16 is 18. All of you got? Need to explain?
16 is 2 raised to 4, right?
That also you can do easily. That is the easiest way. 16 is 2 raised to 4. So 4 get cancelled. 16 we can raise 2 raised to 4. And it is 3 by 4. 4 we can cancel. It is 2 cube 8. Okay, Lynette. This way also we can do. This is the easiest way. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
You're correct. Still, this was simple. Okay. Okay, Lynette.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now try the next one. So this is 8. Next is Albert. 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 Amaljit, what about the next answer, Amaljit?
Yes, ma'am.
125 raised to minus 1 by 3. What's the answer?
1 by 5.
1 by 5, because it is 5 cube, the whole raised to minus 1 by 3. 3 get cancelled. 5 raised to minus 1. 1 by 5. Correct. 1 by 5. Try next one. Suridev, can you hear me, Suridev? What's the answer for 18th one? Are you there, Suridev?
No, I'm doing.
Okay, do it. Make it fast. Simple question it is. 2 raised to 2 by 3 into 2 raised to 1 by 5. Suridev. Tom. 18th one.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer. Lakshmi. 18th one. Say Lakshmi. Nandakumar. Lakshmi Nandakumar.
Ma'am, I'm doing.
Okay, it's very simple question. Why so lagging? 2 raised to 2 by 3, 2 raised to 1 by 5. Simple, no? Advait, did you get 18th one?
I'm doing.
Okay. If you get it, you give the answer. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
is it 2 raised to 13 by 15?
Yes, only that. Nothing we can't do. 2 raised to 13 by 15. 2 raised to 13. Only that. We can't do any further simplification. Only this much. 2 raised to 13 by 15. What about 19th? 19th is?
3 raised to 21.
Is it 3 raised to 21?
Negative 21.
Negative 21 or 1 by 1 by 3 raised to 21. And 20th? Hmm. 20th. Tamanna. Ritvik. 20th. Fadil?
I'm doing.
Okay. Okay, children, by these two questions, this chapter is over. Number system. Next day, we will begin with next chapter, polynomials. Okay. Yes, say. What did you ask?
Ma'am, is the answer 56 raised to 1 by 2?
1 by 2, because root 56.
Ma'am,
Root
can
50.
you repeat the answer of 19th question?
19th question, 1 by 3 raised to 21. 1 by 3 raised to 20, 1 by 3 raised to 21. Not 1 by 3 raised to 1. Yes, both correct. 1 by 3 raised to 21. 20 root 56. What about 21st answer? First one?
Raised to 2 by 8.
2 by 8 is what, Lynette? Simplify it. 2 by 8 is?
1 by 4.
1 by 4. Always write the simplest form. While you are writing fractions, write the simplest form. Okay, Lynette?
Ma'am, it was on me.
Who's this? Who said that?
Nandana.
Who?
Nandana.
Nandana. Okay, no problem. Okay, Nandana. Correct it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, 20th one we are doing like root 7 into root 8. And then we are multiplying like that.
Okay. Or otherwise you can write 7 into 8, 56. 56 raised to 1 by 2. That way also you can write root 56. Both way. That also you are correct. Root 7 into root 8, root 56. That also correct.